Round the world, girl, I've been looking for you. I think I might just find you in Africa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye BTV. So today we are here for a foundation review and also like a birthday look option. My birthday is on Friday. I'll be turning 25, so I'm going to be trying 3 different foundations that I may or may not wear for my birthday. Just, you know, testing it out, see how it feels, what's going to last the longest, and all that. So yes, so if you are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you are coming back, welcome back. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys so much. And we're just gonna get into it. So by the title, I'm sure you've seen that I am doing the foundation review on the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by NYX in collaboration with Alissa Ashley. I've been watching Alissa Ashley for about 2 years now, and I just love her eyeshadow looks. Like, I hope that I can get to be just as bomb as she is. And so she did this foundation line in collaboration with NYX Cosmetics, and they came out with 45 shades right off the bat. We didn't have to wait a few months. It just came out, and I'm super excited to try it. I went to the ULTA today. I went to the ULTA store. Went to ULTA today, and I tried the 3 darkest shades, which was Chestnut, Deep Espresso, and Deep Ebony. So Chestnut just looked great on me. Deep Espresso was red, and the darkest shade, Deep Ebony, was the one that fit me the most. I did the test on my chest and also on my face, and the second to last shade gave me more of like a red undertone, and it just kind of looked like Khartoum from NARS, you know? So I was like, nah, we're gonna just go ahead and do the darkest shade. So I'm going to be trying it on my face for the first time, not in store, because you know how sometimes in the store it plays you? Well, we're going to do it here. So lately I've been doing my foundation prep a little bit different. Instead of putting on a primer, I just use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I use that as a base to just kind of set my face. So kind of like the powder before foundation method lately. And I've been liking that because it's been leaving my face really smooth and just put together. And so this foundation is supposed to be 24 hours and have a matte finish. And most of the time mattes crease on my forehead because I have the fine lines thanks to my dad. Thanks, Dad. Let me be careful. But yeah, so that's the method that I use. Just so I usually use my Smashbox primer, but as of lately I've been liking this method. My face looks smoother, more put together, and I'm sure you guys can use any other translucent powder. I think I also have another. I have my Sasha Buttercup that I could definitely use, but this is the one for now. And also, as far as my eyeshadow, I just used my BH Cosmetics in collaboration with It's My Ray Ray palette. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. If you like what you see so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the squad. And then I used my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette from the first collection, and I used that. The foundation color kind of sort of this foundation color, so I got it there, and it retails for $16. I think I have the receipt. It's $14.99. Altogether it was $16.24 for me, but it kind of reminded me of CoverGirl. Like, I know the boxes are like the containers are a little different, but that's just like, I guess, what I compare it to. I don't know, but whoa, what just fell? I broke something. I don't know from where, but oh well. Shake it up a little bit. Ugh. I wonder how many pumps I'll need. Okay, squirt it out just like that. I was told that the foundation oxidizes, so we'll see. My big forehead. My big forehead. So far, it definitely is matte, but I kind of like it. I got a pimple on my forehead, but it's okay. It is okay. So far, I don't know. I feel like it almost makes me a little bit actually no. It's a good fit. I'm a little, I think it matches. I'm kind of worried it looks a little bit red, but it's not as red as the other one. Like I'm telling you, that Deep Espresso was just red. So it feels really light. I don't feel like there's lots of gunk on my face, so that's really good. It is matte like it says, but it looks really good with my skin tone. Like I feel like it's gonna come together. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I will come back and give you guys my final verdict. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I like it. My face feels good. It doesn't feel heavy. I don't feel like I have thick makeup on. For the price of this foundation, it is perfect. Has a huge shade range, so you will definitely find your shade color in there somewhere. I decided to do the final look with this with two different lippies. So they're both metallic lippies, one purple, one blue, just to kind of go off the eyeshadow. So yeah, this is an option for a look that I would wear for my birthday. I don't know what you guys think, if I should, if I shouldn't. I don't know, let me know. I think it's a look. I like it. Or maybe just one of the days, because I'm going out 2 times, Friday and Saturday. So I like it. I feel beautiful. I feel together, and it's great that this company this line specifically has an inclusive shade range. Everyone can find their shade somewhere. I am the darkest shade in there, and you guys know I'm not the darkest person, but because I have a neutral undertone, my tones will, the foundation will usually end up being a little bit darker, because if it's not, then it's red, and then if it's not, it's gray. So I am the color Deep Ebony, if I forgot to mention it earlier. But yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. If you guys like that foundation review, if you guys like foundation reviews, let me know if you guys want more. If you guys like this look, let me know. Leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, thumbs up, all that, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Talk to you later. Bye.